This is a true cold hardy orange tree, so let's talk about it. We're here at the Dallas Arboretum, and this right here is Ponceres trifoliata, or trifoliate orange, or hardy orange. Now, it's not known for having delicious oranges, though it does have oranges that are edible, though they aren't really all that appealing. But what's unique about it is that it's cold hardy, even in zones 8 and maybe even zone 7. So that's why it is selected as the rootstock for many types of different citrus plants. Because by grafting the desirable oranges and other types of citrus onto the rootstock of this plant, it can actually increase the cold hardiness of those more desirable citrus. But something else to be noted are the crazy thorns on this tree, which are just gnarly, and they will come back from time to time on your grafted citrus. So if you ever have some branches that are coming out from the base that look completely different and are thorny, that's the rootstock coming out. But if you've ever wondered why citrus plants will sometimes turn thorny, it's because of this plant.